Hello children, welcome again in Devati Modi Public School, Modi Nagar online classes of computer. Today I will explain lesson 8, Introduction to Excel. Excel is an application software. It is especially used for calculation. Children, after going through this chapter, you will be able to start and close an Excel window, explain the functions of the components of an Excel window, and insert data into an Excel worksheet. Children, how can you start MS Excel? Follow these steps like click on the start button and then go Excel option. The Excel window opens, the blank workbook open like this. Here you can choose blank sheet and click on it. Then this window will appear. You can see this is first window of MS Excel. Here are components of the Excel window like name box, row heading, new sheet, formula box, column heading, and cell, current cell or active cell, you can say it. Children, cell. A cell is the basic component of worksheet where data is entered. यहाँ पर आप एक्टिव सेल में डेटा एंटर कर सकते हैं। जिस भी सेल पर आप पॉइंटर को प्रेस करेंगे, पॉइंटर क्लिक करेंगे, वहीं से आप अपने डेटा को एंटर कर सकते हैं। The intersection of row and column form a cell. रो और कॉलम जब मिलते हैं तो एक सेल बनती है। In Excel, each cell is identified by its cell address. हर सेल का अपना एक एड्रेस होता है, हर सेल अपने नाम से जानी जाती है। A cell address is formed by the combination of a column, letter, and row number. For example, in the image given alongside, the selected cell is the intersection of column B, and now row is 3. Hence, its address is B3. Yes, children. Next topic is range. Range is a group of adjoining cells. The range can be specified using the colon operators to specify a cell range. Next is column heading. Each column in a worksheet is represented by a letter or a combination of letters. These are called column headings. These headings are named A, B, C, and so on. Children, last column address is 16384. It is the last column address. Next is each row headings. Each row in a worksheet is named using a number or combination of numbers such as 1, 2, 3, and so on. And the last cell number is 1048576. These are known as row headings. Name box. Name box is located below the ribbon on the left side of the window. It is it displays the address of the currently selected cell. Means if you select any cell, that will be located in name box. Next is formula bar. The formula bar is located to the right of the name box. It displays the content you enter in a cell, such as text, numbers, formulas. Children, these two boxes are important, and it's a minor difference between these. You can see name box, you will see the address. मीन्स आप जो हैं करंट सेल का एड्रेस देखेंगे. नेम बॉक्स में आपको करंट सेल का एड्रेस दिखेगा एंड फॉर्मूला बार में आपको जो कंटेंट टाइप किया है आपने, मीन्स आपने कोई नंबर या टेक्स्ट या फॉर्मूला टाइप किया है, वो आपको फॉर्मूला बार में दिखाई देगा. शीट टैब. Sheet tab is located on the status bar. There is only one worksheet in a workbook by default. The new sheet icon plus sign is used to add more worksheets to a workbook. There can be a maximum of 255 worksheets. You can switch to a different worksheet by clicking on it in the Sheet tab. Children, I already told you the last cell number and the last address of the cell, and now it is some important thing. Remember, a workbook can contain multiple worksheets. Now, workbook and worksheet. Workbook is a file created in Excel. Workbook एक फाइल है जो Excel में create होती है. When you open Excel, the window that appears is a workbook. जब आप Excel को open करते हैं तो आपको जो शीट दिखाई देती है वो वर्कबुक होती है. सॉरी, जो विंडो दिखाई देती है वो वर्कबुक होती है. वर्कबुक इज अ ग्रिड ऑफ सेल्स कंटेनिंग सर्टेन नंबर ऑफ रोज एंड कॉलम्स. वर्कबुक में बहुत सारी वर्कशीट हो सकती हैं. और वर्कशीट क्या है? वर्कशीट एक पेज है जो रो और कॉलम से बना हुआ है. रो और कॉलम को जोड़ के सेल बनी है और सेल से आपकी वर्कशीट बनी हुई है. By default, a workbook is named book 1. By default, जब आप कोई भी फाइल ओपन करते हैं तो उसका नाम होता है book 1. And a worksheet is named sheet 1. और वर्कशीट का नाम होता है sheet 1. You can give another name to your file by save option. If you want to save your work, you can click on save button and then you can give your particular name in name box and click on save button again, then you will see your file name will change and you can see your own name. Next is types of data in Excel. There are three types of data. Text. This includes some information, usually a combination of the letters of alphabet, such as Neha, Ramesh and January. Next, values. These includes numbers and dates. For example, 236, 838, 87 and date also. Number 3, formulas. These includes formulas to perform calculations. It can be number and text both. How can you enter data in MS Excel? Children, it is very easy. You can press any cell, you can click on any cell and input data through keyboard. Next is selecting cells. To select a single cell, simply click on the cell. A border will appear around that cell. This is known as cell pointer. To select more than one cell, you can drag your mouse over the cell you want to select. To select non-contiguous range of cell, select the cell, press and hold down the control key and then select the ending range of cell. Non-contiguous means without any sequence. If you want to select any data in between your worksheet, in between your spreadsheet, so you can press anywhere and hold it. You can press mouse pointer anywhere from where you want to select and drag it till the end cell from where you want to stop. Means your range, when you complete your range, you leave this and your data will be selected. To select an entire row, click on the row header. अगर आपको पूरी रो सिलेक्ट करनी है तो ओनली आपको जो है रो टॉप रो के हेडर पर जहां पर कॉलन नंबर लिखा होता है, कॉलन अल्फाबेट लिखा होता है, वहां पर क्लिक करिए और आपकी पूरी जो रो है वो सिलेक्ट हो जाएगी, पूरा कॉलन सिलेक्ट हो जाएगा, रो सिलेक्ट हो जाएंगी. टू सिलेक्ट एन एंटायर कॉलन, क्लिक ऑन द कॉलन हेडर एंड योर एंटायर कॉलन विल बी selected. Next, saving a workbook. I already told you that how can you save? Click on File menu, then select Save option. Again, write the name of your file and click on Save button again and your file will be saved. Did you know when you enter a number with a leading 0, Excel automatically removes this 0. For example, if you type 048 and press the enter key, Excel will display it as 48. To display the leading zeros, put an apostrophe before the number. Excel will treat this entry as text. Next step, to move to the next line in a cell, press Alt plus Enter key. Now, creating a workbook. How can you create workbook? Click on File tab. The backstage view will open. Click on New option. The Excel window will appear. Choose a desired template or click on Blank Workbook. A new workbook titled Book 1 is created. And exiting from the Excel. How can you exit from the Excel? When you have completed your work, after that you want to come out from Excel, how will you do this? Children, it is very easy. There are two methods. Number one, you can click on close button at the top in right side. You can see a close button. You will click on it, and if your file is saved, it will be closed. If your file will not save, it will ask you, do you want to save, or do you want to save, or you don't want to save. If you want to save, you click on it, save your file, then your window will closed and you will come out on desktop. Next way is you click on File tab and select Close option from the list, and you will come out from the Excel. Yes, children, these are some key terms. Number one, cell, the basic component formed by the intersection of rows and columns. Range, a group of adjoining cells. Worksheet, a grid of cells containing certain number of rows and columns. Workbook, a file in Excel that contains multiple worksheets. Cell pointer, a border that appears around a cell and indicates that it is active. Children, I already explained these terms, so I come to recap. Recap. First, Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet program that comes with Microsoft Office Suite. It lets us create worksheets. In Excel, text and numerical data can be entered and calculation can also be performed. A cell is the basic components of a worksheet where data is entered. The intersection of row and column form a cell. A range is a group of adjoining cells. The range is specified using the colon operators. Each column in a worksheet is represented by a letter or combination of letters. These are called column heading. A file created in Excel is called a workbook. Last one, a worksheet is a grid of cells containing certain number of rows and columns. Children, lesson is completed. Now we will meet again with new lesson. Till then, bye.